Hi, I'm Noah Zilberman, and in this video I'll show you how to get started with P4Pi. First, let's look at the required equipment. You need a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, a microSD, and a Raspberry Pi power supply. It is also strongly recommended to use a case and a cooling solution, such as heatsinks and a fan. For debug purposes, you will need a micro HDMI to HDMI cable to connect to a monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse. The next step is to download the P4Pi image. Go to the P4Pi repository on GitHub. On the right-hand side, you will find the latest release. Click on it. Go to the zip file under Assets and download it. It is big, so can take a while. Once the file has finished downloading, go to the folder where you have saved the file and extract the image. Next, you need to load the image to the SD card. For that, we use the Raspberry Pi imager that can be downloaded from the Raspberry Pi website. Insert the micro SD card to your computer. If you don't have a slot for an SD or a micro SD, you can use an adapter such as USB to micro SD. In the imager, go to Choose OS, scroll to the bottom and choose Use Custom. Point to the P4Pi image file. Press Choose Storage and choose the micro SD card. Click the Write button and press Yes. It can take a few minutes to write to the card. At the end, a pop-up message will show up saying that the image was successfully written. Assembling the platform takes just a few seconds. If you are using a case, make sure to first put the board into the case and install any heatsinks or fans. Only then put the micro SD card into its slot. Last, connect the power supply cable to the USB-C port. Let's see what happens once I turn on P4Pi. In this case, the platform is connected to a monitor. You can see that the platform boots as soon as we connect the power. It can take a few seconds. At the end, we get the login screen. Use the user Pi and the first-time password Raspberry to connect to the platform. Welcome to P4Pi. As soon as P4Pi is up, so is the P4Pi wireless network. You can see the SSID P4Pi in the list of available networks. The initial password, which should be changed, is Raspberry. Press Next to connect. Once you have connected to the network, you can either SSH or connect to the web interface of P4Pi. To SSH, open a terminal and use SSH with the user Pi to 192.168.4.1. The initial password is Raspberry. You will see the P4Pi welcome screen. Use the command password to change the initial password to a different password. Use your browser to connect to the P4Pi web interface. Use the same IP address and the user Pi. The P4Pi web interface video provides more information. To learn more about P4Pi, visit our repository at www.github.com/p4lang/P4Pi. Thank you.